Do you have a small space and you have like a little wall like this, which you're really not sure what to do with? So what I was super excited when I saw this, we have a very small space with not a lot of storage, and our back door here we use to come in and out of a lot, but there's nowhere kind of to throw your keys or put your stuff. Everything always ends up on our dining room table, which I don't like. So this little half moon table is absolutely perfect. I love it. One of the things that I love about it is it comes in different finishes, but this finish is like a natural wood that looks like it's just been whitewashed a little. So it goes perfectly with these beachy floors that we have and with sort of our overall beachy vibe we have going on with the light colors and whatnot. So it's got a nice detail here with the rattan in the table here. And one of my favorite things about this, because I've looked at a whole bunch of the half moon tables before I got this. So with a half moon table, it takes up very little space. It's like an entryway table or a console table, but because it's in this half moon design, it really doesn't take up a lot of space against a wall. And this one, what I love the most based on some of the other ones I saw, is that it has a drawer in it. A lot of them do not have a drawer, and this is just the perfect place where we put our keys and a dog leash, anything like that that you need to get quickly as you're heading out the door, or when you come in, you put your keys there, you'll always know where to find your keys. And then it's got just a great little storage spot on the bottom. You can put plants, anything like that. Here you can, same thing, you can decorate up this table. You put like little picture frames, whatnot. I plan to put a nice mirror above it, and it will just be a great little accent piece to upscale just this tiny little wall to separate the two rooms. I absolutely love it, highly recommend it. One of the things too about this in particular is my husband hates when I order stuff on Amazon, because it comes in these tiny little boxes and he's like, how many pieces is this? I have to put it together. It took hours and hours. This one was like 4 pieces. He said it's the easiest thing he's ever had to assemble that I've gotten from Amazon. It's literally like the top, bottom, and the legs. That is it. So super easy to put together. It looks really expensive. It looks way more expensive than it is. Highly recommend getting one if you are in the market for a half moon table. This one is absolutely perfect.